There we go.
Hey everybody, how's it going? It's your very terrible cameraman Aaron here. I apologize about the camera being kind of wonky and everything because I'm holding it with my hand. So, first off, people are saying that my Roadrunner is a 74 and it's actually a Sebring in Roadrunner clothing. Well, I'm going to show you guys right now real fast. Camera's going to go upside down for a second. I've duct taped, well, not duct tape, but I typed off my bins. See that right there? When it starts with an RM, that means it's a Roadrunner. This is in fact a Roadrunner. Production year 173. That means this is a 1973, made in January. It's a very early model. I taped off everything else so that way no one would not steal the information. So again, RM stands for Roadrunner. 173 stands for 1973. So there you have it. The mystery has been solved to all of you. You have proof. This is a Roadrunner. It's a 73. So, talk about stuff. Well, the weather is actually decent right now, and I gotta switch arms. Things are going to begin happening very shortly. I am going to look into tearing off the 58 right here off its frame, which, believe it or not, this is probably the most popular video I have, which is over 2,000 views. Thank you very much for that. If somehow I could change views into subscribers, that would be nice, but of course that would be easy. But I am not complaining. I love the fact that people are actually watching the video. I'm just happy on that. Now, I got some tools to grab. I was out here a couple days ago messing with another parts out here. But a lot of the stuff on the dash is plastic. And I want to take this off and replicate it for customized stuff. It's been so cold lately. It's decent now, but I got some other things to do. So, I really can't take off the plastic stuff without, with the fear of breaking it. Even right now, because there's just so much stuff I'm going to do to this car. I'm going to put a 4-speed in it, probably a top loader shifter. I'm not sure what kind of gear ratio just yet. Someone said that this may have a not 390. I'm going to put a 390. I got 390 on the brain. But someone said that this is a 9-inch, but I have to crawl underneath and check. I have absolutely no idea what it is. It's just a huge rear end on this thing. I mean, huge. So, this car is not going to be original in any way, shape, or form. I'm going to get rid of that steering column, put something else in it. I'm not going to cut anything, just something that'll fit in there for custom for tilt steering wheel. The 4-speed is going to go right there. I'm going to pop a hole in the center. If I ever want to turn to a 3-speed again, I'll just weld it back. So it's really no big deal. But this car is going to be heavily worked on. I started working on it in November, and the weather started to turn bad. And then the next day, it's like, okay, it's not so bad. But when I went out, it started to snow. And things just didn't go into the favor of me working on things out here. This front clip, there's so many bolts on this. Of course, with older cars, there's a ton of bolts and screws holding everything together. So, this is going to be the most challenging bit because you have to reach up in there, all this stuff. But at least you have to take this spot out, and it'll be easy because once you take that out, the light bezels, it'll actually be easier to access some things. Oh, I'm missing a chrome piece. I forgot. I need to go grab the French place and grab another one. But yeah, this car is going to be taken off the frame this year. I'll try to get it on some sort of roller system that could be, be out here on the dirt, so I can move it around. Because I want to start messing with engines soon too, especially with the 69 Mercury Comet. And for anybody asks, it's not for sale. Nothing out here is for sale. The 69 Comet is not for sale. If it was for sale, we would be advertising as such. So please, stop inquiring. I understand that everybody can't comprehend this. But I hate saying that, but again, nothing's for sale. These are our private collection. Once we get stuff established in the new garage built and get some other project cars, then we'll announce that they will be for sale. But this is our private collection, nothing's for sale. I'm glad we got that out of the way. Now, this is a very basic model, even though it's a Sport Limited Edition. Oh no, my tire's flat. But this has got 302 in it. It's pretty standard. I think it has a C4 transmission in it. It's nothing really too special, but well, for its model at least. But to me, it's special. This is an extremely rare car. It's a 69 Mercury Comet in Montego clothing, which is kind of strange that they actually did this, of how they did the newer Comets and all that. So 68 Comet parts will work on this, even Montego stuff. So yeah, I gotta replace the hood hinge on this. In fact, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna put some lock mechanisms on this with a specific key, because the lock mechanisms on these are very notorious for going out. And my wife's Mustang Grande, the 73. I got two 73s now. Well, this is both hers and mine. Got the 351 in it. I'm thinking about uploading an older video that I have of it. I'm not quite sure yet. I'll just make a new one. I had one up, but the audio was terrible, and I just deleted it. I was going to make a new one, just never got around to it. So when I get to this, I'm also going to try to get to the Cougar, get the roof replaced. Oops, sorry for the sun glare. I hope that wasn't too bad, because it just blinded me. This is a product of Roof Rot from Final Roof. As you can see here, you could, yeah, it's gone. You could actually see that metal is gone. This car is going to be restructured. This is sorry, I'm going to put the camera away for a second. There we go. The noise wasn't too loud. This is a 351 model, but since with the shortage and all, I don't know if this was either a Cleveland or a Windsor. And I need to get the front headlights, the hideaway headlights. This will be modernized. It's not going to be a fun car in any way, shape, or form. But I need to start working on this. The unibody, I need to recheck some measurements, because the only main damage on this is pretty much the back on this side, and pretty much replace the entire roof. When I put on a new roof, I'll get that one type of paint that makes it look as if there's a rag top on it, because I absolutely 100% hate rag tops. It's like the Bonneville that I'm going to be getting that has a rag top on it, because this is all gone. It's because there's a hole right there, there's some holes down here, and it looks like some rust actually found its way down from someplace. I don't know where that rust came from. It came off the car, but I don't know. It's like, where's Waldo? Where did the rust fall from? But yeah, enough in the. I was getting too self-centered on the Cougar, trying to figure out where the rust was from. We're also going to be building a couple of sheds on some skids. That way, one's for parts and one's for working on engines. This is my brother's extremely rare 1929 Willys Knight Whippet. It's a pickup. We want to tear that sleeve engine out along the transmission and redo it, see if we can't start it up. And start redoing this. I need to get that on some cement blocks, that way the ram's not on the ground. I don't know what is interchangeable yet on 29 Whippets, or just Willie Knights in general. So there's just a lot of stuff to do out here, and this is the year to do it. We're doing some engines, some cars. We're just going to be messing with everything finally, because March I won't be on too much, because I'm going to be fixing up the weather damage, finishing this up, pulling up the rest of the trash, and then adding on to the pan for more vehicles. Because we kind of of said that we're done collecting vehicles. Well, no, not really. There's a couple more we're going to grab, and then that's pretty much it for quite some time. This time we actually mean it. Oops, sorry. There's just so much stuff to do out here. I need to get the frame going, restored for the 68. I need to see on what it is for a disc brake system for the rear end off of that 166 9-inch, because it's going to go on the 68. Disc brake system in the front once I get the frame redone and everything. I'm not sure in what color to paint it yet. Sorry, I gotta switch here. I'm not sure in what color to paint it yet, either red or black, because it's not going to be quite original. Yeah, it's going to have the 390, a whole bunch of other stuff to it, but just a lot of stuff out here. It's not going to be quite original anymore. We actually also talked about messing with the 36 Chevrolet Coupe, the 5-window coupe. I think this was a business coupe. I can't remember. I'm not too certain on these models. This is not going to be a hot rod. We're probably going to put a 390 in it. We actually thought about maybe, not a 390, excuse me, a 350. I'm sorry, 350's on the brain. 390's on the brain. Oh my gosh, now I'm getting mixed up. But this is going to get a 350. Don't know if we're going to turn to a 303 stroker or not. We're just not sure yet, because the roof on this wouldn't be too bad to replace, because I got to restructure some of this stuff. Then pop this, try to find a donor. If I can't, go to a metalsmith and see if I can't borrow an English wheel. Do stuff there. So yeah, we're gonna mess with a lot of vehicles this year. We're gonna jump around from month to month doing projects, and then of course my brother's 34 Pontiac sedan. So yeah, that one's picking up. There's just so much stuff we're going to be doing out here. I'm not too worried about this hood, but I gotta convert it over to an XL, because my 68 has a normal standard Galaxy front clip, because this was redone a long time ago, and someone could not find the front clip with the extra chrome pieces and the XL emblem right there and the hideaway light, so they put a standard in it. And then the front clip, a lot of stuff that was on this was swapped over with a 67. So I don't know if this is actually a 67 hood or a 68. Might be 68, I'm not sure yet. But anywho, there's a lot of stuff that needs to be done to this car. It will be an extremely easy restoration. What is stuff on? Oh, nice. I gotta get the frame redone. Disc brake system on it and everything, and just slide it up underneath. I gotta take that off the frame, because that frame's absolutely shot. I gotta get the Roadrunner repositioned, get a cheap rear end, slap underneath it so that way it can be pulled in and out. Because I need to look at a MIG welder, see how much that is later in the year to do the roof. There's just so much stuff to do out here. I'm gonna flip this back around. So hopefully this little update video gives an insight of what's going to be happening very shortly once the warm days come, hopefully soon. Even if it's just 50-something degree weather, a lot of things are going to be happening. I'm going to try to be more active out here, because the weather this winter was not the best. I try to come out here to do things, to try to keep a consistent algorithm up, but it didn't happen. So again, my apologies. The weather just got in the way. It was extremely dangerous, below zero weather with us, with the wind blowing. It was just way too dangerous out here for anything. So I don't know how hard it is to convince people, because I'm still new to this whole internet thing. I don't know how to convince everybody to keep on subscribing. Would be nice to turn watchers into subscribers, but then again, it would be easy for everybody. So I guess just subscribe, click that bell button, like, spread us around, just help us out, because when Like I said, when the warm days come, things are going to be happening out here, and you're going to see a lot of action coming on this channel. We'll try to get going for live streaming, as I first stated when I first started out this channel. So I better get in, because the wind's picking up and the battery's almost dead in this, because it does not want to hold a charge. Oh, my arm. So, hope you don't mind the camera work. I don't know when the next video is going to come by. Hopefully next week or two. Gotta start working on everything. So I'm going to sign out for now. And I hope all of you have a good one now. And I shall keep the camera straight. So I shall post and talk to all of you another day. Y'all take care now and stay safe. See you later.